Manny Pacquiao's Jr. and BBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Tip-off na tayo dito sa ating 18 under match between San Juan and Rizal as La Liga. Immediately, knocking down.
Una, no?
Puno din tayo dito sa Paco Arena. Family, friends, supporters, trooping. Our venue dito sa Manila as Nonato knocks down the baseline jumper. Abante na dito ang San Juan. Perez aangat. It's back iron para po na board. Mendoza will clean it up. Agorda on the attack. Now Perez makes the adjustment. Two more para sa Rizal. Elias will secure it for Rizal. Finds an opening. Short. Elias pa rin. Gadan. This time it's Roma. Loads it up and it. Off the spin. Off balance. Bothered by the defense of Gadan. Gadan finds Gutierrez. Making out his defender for the bucket.
Nice pick yun, no? Player, no?
12 to 9, abante pa rin ang Rizal. Tower though, shows them how it's done.
That was a...
In for the first time, take another look at that move from Tower Jr. Nakakasan yung defense ni Eliascas. The passing lane, a bit too tight. Aurita to good, and that's good.
Nice pass.
So was the previous play were good. Able to get his Sosa. Through the lane for two. Gadan finds Gutierrez. That jumper will fall. That's a weapon ito ni Jared na talaga na-develop na niya throughout the years. Asay naman sa kabila. As we take a look at some highlights brought to us by Chef's Magic. That early three-pointer nga from Rejan Ladiga. Just setting the tone for this game number 2 ng ating North Division Finals. Roma, that floater. This was the attempt from Perez naman. Contributing para sa Rizal. Tauber as well para naman dito sa makabagong 17 to 15. Rizal is up by 2. Gadan ahead to Gutierrez. Setting up Ram for the finish. Just enjoying the game. Chef's Magic condiments brings the flavor. Makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic in every meal. A magic moment.
Isa niya dun, no? Talagang makikita mo kung paano niya nilay-up dun.
Gadan looking to answer. Does so para sa San Juan. Talk and Ladiga gets blocked. Gadan, he just might slam this home! Andre Gadan! That deserves a second look. Sabi mo nga, half court pa lang, ilista mo na. Parang, kala ko nga lilipad from the free throw line eh. That's a double, will be able to keep it alive. Pounded by two red shirts. Yutok to Sharma. Gets the bucket. To the baseline, goes reverse, overshoots. Aurita though, with a putback. The made basket of Aurita. Was the made basket. Gutierrez, wide open, and gets the three to fall. Dahan-dahan na pumipitaw rin dito itong San Juan dyan. 5 na yung abante na rito, make that 7. Gutierrez to Mejia. Ako, well ball. The ball stolen away. Maki gets blocked. Delia sidestep. And the finish.
Yan lang eh, di ba?
Yun, itas ganun pa yung galaw.
As we see, yung move niya kanina.
The last play of the half. 4 seconds to work with. Nonato Turns it over. Still some time left. Iliescas trying to beat the clock. I'm not sure if it counted. Parang nasa kamay niya pa, at least from our vantage point. Take a look at the time on the lower right. Hindi. Itong tira na to. They will take with them a 4-point lead. 33-29 heading into our second half. Gadan. Walang. Knocks it down for the first two dito sa ating side. Iniluwa. Sharma, short. Gutierrez will clean it up. Was actually there in that Game 3 victory nitong Rizal. So certainly knows that Rizal could make a comeback. But Wayne Donato carry up against Villas. Double-digit lead now. 39-29. Villas with the answer para sa Rizal. Still couldn't get it to fall. Malamig from outside. Ito si Rajon. Gala, nakabuelo na naman. That high pick-up to the finger roll.
Kung may humarang man, hindi pa rin uhubra. Eh, sobrang haba niya. Yung size advantage niya.
Gutierrez finds his way to the paint. Another basket for Gutierrez. Donato drops it off to Sharma. Great fake and the bucket. Another opportunity. But a turnover para San Juan. Villas on the attack. Escapes for two.
From this guy.
Now overshoots, but Tauber there for the putback. 6. Villas, he will try for 3 and convert. Backs the basket. Just couldn't finish. Latiga though with an N1. Gutierrez loses the leather. Latiga on the move once again. Lilipat na naman for 2. Gadan crossover. Stepping through and gets the S1. Andre Ugadan. Take another look at that move. Pinoy step. Villas once again, one-hander, short. Trying to keep it alive. Able to secure an offensive rebound. Mendoza stepping in, long 2. Gets a bounce. Gadan. Extra pass. Howe is open. And knocks down the triple. His first of the ball game. 9 para San Juan. Gadan nagmamadali. His pass just a bit too high for Sharma.
Good intention ball done by Gadan.
Now Langit. Latiga for 3. Counted if it went in. But nevertheless, after being down by 12 points dito sa third, Sean Howe. Gadan making his presence felt. That's 2 of his 11 so far in this game. Rajon doing the work. Has 14 for himself. At Donato set up para kay Ram Sharma. Highlight brought 52-47. San Juan up by 5. To make that +9 para sa San Juan. Donato setting up Sean for 3. Off, Sharma with a putback. Donato. Howe once again, thought about it. A 3 on the way. Another one para kay Sean Howe. His second of the game.
Pag tumira siya, yung bench nila nakatayo na agad.
Villas though will answer para sa Rizal. Their first 2 points here in the fourth. Aurita will fire once more. Off. Mendoza. Clean it up para sa Rizal switch fiber. So babasa 5 ang kalamangan dito ng San Juan. Villas. With escape once again. Sobrang crafty maglaro nito ni Ronan Spina. Down by Gutierrez. La Rosa thought about the 3. Goes to Sharma. They find Ugadan. Extra pass. Gutierrez from the corner. Knocks down the triple. Jared Gutierrez has 16.
Dito ay Gutierrez.
They back up to 5. Latica couldn't convert on his own version, but Villas keeps it alive. Vergara with a basket. Mugadan to the baseline. A second to shoot. Andre just in the time of Nick. And looking to run once again. Villas finds Perez for the easy bucket.
Much needed score by the Rizal squad.
Here in this ball game, that one wins, that will be it. They are the North Division finalists, champion rather. The save. Mugadan with a hustle. Look at Langit. Comes up with a leather. The ball will stay with Rizal. And look at the players. Iba na talaga yung pagod dito.
Kahit ako napagod ako, tinitignan ko lang sila. Pero
It did appear to hit Andre Uco.
anong gagawin itong coaches ng Rizal.
Get it into Latica. Fires for 3. Short. Shot clock is off. As a foul will be called against Mendoza. They had to give it up. Stop the clock. Final 19.1 here in this game. Sharma misses on the first. Able to hit on the second. Vergara finds an opening. Scoops it up and in. Was the quick bucket. Here in this game, taking a look at that move from Sean Vergara. Gutierrez gets into Ogadan, and that's the foul given up there by Sean Vergara. Was only able to split his charity sa kanyang last 2 trips. Trying to go 2 for 2. Ogadan knocks down both. Dito na makabagong sa iwan.
Sobrang dikitan tong game natin. Hindi mo alam talaga kanina.
Vergara gets it into Latica on the attack. Iniluwa yung kanyang layup. Just kind of afternoon para kay Rajon. Makes this a 5-point ball game, 68. Another free throw para kay Ram Sharma. Misses on the second. Aurita with a board. Final 2 seconds na lamang. As makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors will close the series out. In Rizal, final score nga is 68-63. What a ball game that was, John.
Grabe no, kudos to both team no to show paano maglaro ng championship no.